channel. This is going to be something new for me. I've never done a YouTube channel, never made any videos, so this is all new. What this is going to be is a woodworking project. Uh, the project is learning how to do woodworking. How about we just give you a tour of the woodworking shed, okay? All right, come on, let's go do that. Okay, so I know that was a bit underwhelming, right? But I am very excited. I just got this in within the last hour, and I've just got so many plans for it already. Um, so, project goals. We plan to wire this up, get it insulated because it is November. We're going to be getting in the winter time, and I'm not waiting until the spring to use this. And then I've already got a bunch of tools, toolbox, all that good stuff. It's got to be put in here, and I'm gonna have to purchase some newer equipment as well. Um, we're gonna go through all that together, hopefully. If I record everything, if I don't like record this one thing and then not do it ever again. And but hopefully this is a up and running wood shop by January 1st. That's my goal. Lots of work to be done. I've already got some of the wiring I need to do this. Just got to get a couple of things and get started really. And take some measurements in here and map out and plan what I'm going to do. This isn't going to be a high-tech wood shop with $50,000 worth of tools or $5,000 worth of tools. We're going to get the basics, what fits into my budget now, and start there and then slowly grow and start on our first project and start making stuff and see what we can do with it. The primary reason for this is fun and extracurricular activity. I'm a stay-at-home dad. My son is 9 years old and he's in school during the day. So this will give me something to do during the day, and in the evening time I do my honeydews. You know, I cook dinner and make sure my son's got his homework done and all that stuff. And then during the daytime, I'm going to spend it out here with you or my phone or however you want to look at that. But it's just to give me something to do during the day. And, you know, we're going to learn how to woodwork and maybe make some things that I can get some profit off of down the road. You know, maybe learn a skill that I don't have. I'm pretty good with tools and power tools, and I'm good with electrical and stuff, woodworking. So, you know, I built a deck for our house, built some walls on the inside, but I haven't made anything yet. So that's where we're going to go with this. We're going to make some stuff. We're going to see how it turns out, and we're going to go from there with not too much expectations on it, because I don't want to, you know, I'm not going to blind myself thinking I'm going to be able to make something perfect my first time, or even make something as good as some of the other people I've seen do. But we're gonna try our hardest. And we're just gonna have fun doing it and see where that takes us. Yeah, we'll talk to you guys later.